But today in Uganda, even if you are stupid as Museveni's son, okay, did I say that? Did I say that? Even if they don't work, they have their slaves and their slaves are you. So I want us to come together and put an end to this slavery. I'm saying this because you need to hear it. This country belongs to all of us. The men and the women, the young and the old, the rich and the poor, the black and the brown. Finally and very, very finally, I want to promise you, my brothers and sisters, that this is not a dream. I am not dreaming. The things I'm talking about have ever happened here.
Bobi atula n'omukulembeze w'eggwanga nze okundeko ina okuba ng'otula ne president no suggestinga president n'alaba nti by'oyogera birimu ensa n'abikola which I do. Oyina okuba ng'oli productive eri abannayuganda so si kuzannyira ku bulumi bw'abantu awo bondese tevula abasudiri tetubanyega omusajja akeera n'ategeka wiki 2 abannayuganda ne bawaayo omusaayi blood bank nefuna omusaayi omanyi importance y'omusaayi gwe ng'otuuse mu ddwaliro ne bakugamba tewali musaayi. Let us learn how to argue.
We are here to awaken the people in order to make a possibility of change even before elections, because we believe that dictators can be kicked out before, during and after elections. So get me clearly, we are not only here for electioneering, we're here for awakening, because we are not sure for how long we are going to be able to reach the people. We are here because the people persisted. Like I said, they pushed us in the periphery, dusty roads, but people defied and joined us to show solidarity. So it continues and it will continue that way. What is our agenda for the people of Teso? I would say, first, by large, the people of Uganda, we want emancipation and liberation for the people of Uganda. All of Uganda, not just Teso, not just Lango, not just Choli, not just Buganda or Busoga or Bugishu, but all of Uganda. The problems of Teso are similar to the problems of Buganda, to the problems of Busoga, to the problems of Lango. They might just change a little bit in particulars, but generally they are the same. It is subjugation, it is enslavement on their own land. I'll give you a simple comparison. In northern Uganda, many parts of northern Uganda and Acholi land, they were great tobacco farmers. But when General Museveni came in and saw money there, they owned it up to ensure that they are the ones that controlling it. Not only that, go to Busoga. Sugarcane was their masterpiece. It was their bread and butter. General Museveni and his henchmen took it over to the extent that no Musoga today has the power over their sugarcane. A kilo of sugar used to buy 3,500, but a ton of sugarcane was at between 250 to 300,000 shillings. Not anymore. Today, a kilo of sugar is 5,000, but a ton of sugarcane is 50,000 shillings. Why? Because the profits have to actually go to one family, Museveni's family. You can name all those, gold, whether it's in Karamoja or in Buganda or in Busia, it belongs to Museveni's family. Every mine. Now here in Teso and in particular in Soroti, people used to be great cotton growers, but that is how it was destroyed. So we want to revamp the things that used to empower our people economically. It is not a dream. We are not reinventing the wheel. These things have happened before, and we just need to go back and pick where did these people destroy these things and how and why. We want to start by investigating those that grabbed that economy from the people of Teso. First, give it back to the people of Teso, but also make sure that those thieves pay for that. And also, over time, many things have come. I mean, I've not mentioned the flying school, which used to be the pride of Soroti. How does it look today? Look at the healthcare system. Is your healthcare system satisfactory? Are your health centers stocked with medicines? Look at your schools. Look at the infrastructure. Where we passed, I don't know what is in General Museveni's head, because they blocked us from using the main roads and pushed us to the destroyed roads as if they want us to see them and see what we have to begin with. So we want to revamp the infrastructure of this region. This region can be a game in this country. Yeah. The people of Teso are so hardworking, so enterprising, so, smart in their business acumenship. Only if they are empowered by the powers, by the administration of the country, they will prosper. That is the exact agenda that we have for the people of Teso. Okay. But the chief priest of land grab, that is Museveni and his family, those people came to Uganda with 0 inches of land.
They came from where?
Hey, you don't know where they came from. Are you pretending not to know?
I thought Museveni is a citizen of Uganda.
Well, by the gun is a citizen, but even during the days of President Obote challenged him to prove that he's a Ugandan. He could not prove that. I challenged him in 2021. I still challenge him to prove that he's a Ugandan. And I'm not in any way being discriminatory to those that, I have so many friends that became citizens of Uganda by naturalization.
Yes.
But I will tell you that you can only tell a Ugandan by the way they love Uganda. And Uganda is not the land or the trees. Uganda is the people. Look, excuse me. Look at how the man is treating the Ugandans. Look at how the man is underdeveloping our country. Look at how the man is destroying every single sector in this country. Can you really say Museveni is a Ugandan? That's a question for you. So, there's no negotiation with corruption. There's no shortcut with corruption. We have to uphold our integrity, because we know corruption is the cancer that has destroyed our country, and we have to deal with it firmly, just like we've demonstrated during the struggle.
Okay.